Whether you're going through Denver International Airport for the first time or not familiar here and want a quick lesson how to get from A to B using the airport tram, then you're on the right video here on Travel Tricks. Before we get started, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. When you fly into Denver, you follow the signage to take you to your luggage. You will eventually walk towards escalators. Once you're coming downstairs, you will see people waiting in front of a number of closed doors. They are waiting to go on to the Denver Airport Tram. It's what the airport calls the Automated Guideway Transit System. This tram connects to all three gates to Jeppesen Terminal. The train trip from gates A to B is around 3 minutes once the doors close, and from gates A to C take around 5 minutes. Do be warned, if you're coming in from your flight and entering the tram, it will be packed. I don't know if that changes what day and time you're in it or not. When I used it, I got on at gate C, and by the time the train passed gates B, A, and it arrived at Jeppesen Terminal, the tram was packed end to end, no room to move. Just a warning, once you're off the tram, follow the signage till you're at your luggage. If you're not being picked up by friends or family, I'd suggest pre-planning an airport transfer to take you to your hotel. Just wait outside for your pickup and they will call or text to meet up with you. Or some companies will stand holding a sign with your name. That's called a meet and greet. Or if you're renting a car, just go outside and wait for your shuttle to take you to the car rental site. Now for the opposite, if you're coming to Denver International Airport, after you go through security, you're in the Jeppesen Terminal, and your boarding pass should tell which gate your flight will be. To get to your gate, you take the Denver Airport Tram, called the Automated Guideway Transit System. It will go to each gate. By the time I got to gate C, the tram was almost empty, a very different experience than the last time I was on it. From here, you go to where your plane will be and you wait to board. I hope this visual explanation will help you on coming to Denver International Airport and prepare you when you arrive or depart from here. Thank you for watching this video. And if you're thinking of traveling to Colorado Springs from Denver or stay in Colorado Springs, check out these videos and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always trying to share tricks to help you make your next adventure the best one it can be. Thank you.